So you win.
I win. have 1 point, I haven't done the math yet, but I have 1. That is all I know. I trust all the smart people have done the math for me, so yes.
So how do you feel? 2 years in a row.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I get to add another little star to my tattoo, so I'm very excited for that. And yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, incredible weekend. You know, it's so difficult with the level that we are in EnduroGP now. To achieve a perfect weekend is really difficult. We did it 2 times this year in Spain. Also, we repeat here.
L'hai cambiata, L'hai cambiata, grande!
Secondi nella prima salita.
Coming back again on the top step of the podium, I'm really proud for that. Thanks to my team and everyone in my corner. Yeah, solid day, just no big mistakes. My flow was better than yesterday. I had a better rhythm. Yeah, bring all the positive to the next GP and thanks you all.
Cremava, vomitava.
Josep Garcia